Today, I'm gonna tell you about RECnGO. Before we dive in, please make sure to subscribe to appsumo's YouTube channel. RECnGO is an affordable live stream and recording studio app with all the bells and whistles, including a built-in audio mixer. The pro live streaming and studio recording app that helps you create multi-camera videos from your phone, tablet, and MILC/DSLR devices via macOS. Integrates stunning visuals, overlays, and smart scoreboards to keep people engaged in your live stream. Connect with up to 12 iOS, Android, macOS, or MILC devices to shoot stunning videos from multiple angles. RECnGO gives your events the exposure they deserve, with glitch-free full HD streaming and recording. Whether you're running corporate workshops, doing virtual home tours, filming weddings, or creating product demos, you can capture engaging footage with no heavy equipment. RECnGO works with your iOS, Android, or Huawei devices. Just install the app and you're ready to get started. You can easily create multi-camera videos in minutes by connecting up to 12 phones, tablets, computers, or MILC and DSLR devices. Running a presentation or a demo, add multiple images, videos, and overlays to create custom presentations that your customers. RECnGO is a pro live stream and recording studio app that lets you create multi-camera videos with iOS, Android, macOS, and MILC devices. Build entire conversion experiences fast, more than just another funnel builder. While you are recording or streaming, it's super easy to switch between back and front cameras. Turn off the flash, adjust the white balance, and zoom in and out remotely. Add some pizzazz to your production with logos and background images. You can insert these images as sources or as layers. You can also add pre-recorded videos and insert visual overlays. For example, you can create name tags for speakers, highlight your products, insert CTA buttons, and create your own layouts. This is great for selling merch or driving subscriptions. Or you can keep things simple with a static logo overlay. Whatever you do, it'll be easy to customize and organize with RECnGO. Now that you've gotten a preview of the pro-level visuals, we gotta talk about the audio. With RECnGO, you have full control of your own audio mix panel. Adjust the sound on the go and switch between different microphones to get the best sound quality. You can use one camera source to stream video and another one to capture audio. That way you're able to film multiple rooms or activities in at once. You can also use an external microphone as long as it connects to one of your devices. RECnGO has built-in integrations with Facebook and YouTube, so you can stream directly or post a recording. If you want to live stream, set up the post title and a short description for the final platform. If you want to live stream on a different platform, create an RTMP URL and key to connect to TikTok, Twitch, and more. RECnGO also supports simultaneous live streaming and recording, so you can repurpose your video for all sorts of projects after the event. RECnGO, the key to putting out high-quality video productions with no heavy equipment. Live stream and record multi-camera videos using up to 12 devices at once. A pro video production studio that fits on your phone. RECnGO is packed with tools to record from multiple angles, add visuals, modify sound, and make live edits all from your phone. Live stream like a pro. So, click on the link below to RECnGO for an incredible price. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.